Good morning, dear students of Class 8. Welcome to our online class from LPM Public School, Bhola Bazaar. Student, I am a science teacher. Student, as you know, your chapter is chapter 2nd, Microsoft Friend and Foe, is under process. And today, I am going to complete the explanation of the theory portion of this chapter. So, my today's topic of explanation will be about the nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen cycle? Student, you know very well that in our atmosphere there is various types of gas present: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium. Various types of gases are present, and among these gases, nitrogen is very abundant. 78% of all the gases is only nitrogen, and this nitrogen is also required for the plant and animal also, for getting protein. But they can't, neither plant nor animals are not able to take the nitrogen directly. There is need of conversion of nitrogen to nitrate. So, conversion of nitrogen to nitrate, that is used by the plant for preparing the food in them, just like protein in them, and the animal consume those plant products. So, by consuming those plant products, the nitrogen, which is in form of nitrate, in form of protein, when that protein transfers in that body, that means nitrogen has been transferred in that body, and nitrogen is required for the body growth of the organisms. So here, this is the process of fixing the nitrogen in such a form that the plant and animal could use it, and returning back of nitrogen into the atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. Means conversion of nitrogen into nitrate form in such a form in which form the plant could use it. So conversion of nitrogen to nitrate, and after using it, when the plant or animal dies, the nitrate again reconverted back into nitrogen form and released in the atmosphere. Means from where the nitrogen came, it has returned back to the same place. This is called the nitrogen cycle. Next one, decaying bacteria. What is decaying bacteria? There are certain bacteria which are present on the soil. When the plant and animals dies, the nitrogen which is stored in the form of ammonia in these organisms, dead bodies of these organisms, such bacteria decomposes those dead organisms and releases the ammonia hidden in those organisms, releases and mixes in the soil, so that further this ammonia could be utilized by the plant. So releasing of ammonia from the dead and decomposing organisms by the help of such bacteria is called decaying bacteria, and the process is called ammonification. The process of conversion of the hidden ammonia in the dead organism's body by the help of certain bacteria and releasing that ammonia into the soil is called ammonification, and which is done by the help of bacteria and called the decaying bacteria. Next topic is nitrifying bacteria. There are certain bacteria present in the root of few leguminous plant, just like pea plant, linseed plant. In such plant roots, such type of bacteria present, Azotobacter. The name of that bacteria is Rhizobium bacteria. The quality of that bacteria is that it takes the nitrogen from the atmosphere and converts into nitrate form and provide to the plants for the fulfillment of their necessities, just like for growth of the body and for preparing protein in them. So once again, I have just missed this point, nitrifying bacteria. There are certain bacteria present in the soil that they convert those ammonia which the previous bacteria has decomposed the dead organisms and released the ammonia from those organisms. Further those ammonia which are present in the soil are converted into nitrate form. So such bacteria which is present in the soil helps in the conversion of the ammonia into nitrate form. Such bacteria and such bacteria is called nitrifying bacteria, and such process is called nitrification. So student, just above it I have told such bacteria that releases the dead and from the dead and decomposing material releases ammonia from it. So such bacteria is called the decaying bacteria, and the process by which the ammonia is released is called the ammonification. And the next I have explained about the nitrifying bacteria, such bacteria that converts the ammonia released from the dead and decomposing organisms into nitrate. Such bacteria is called the nitrifying bacteria, and the conversion of nitrate from ammonia is called nitrification. Okay students, next, nitrogen fixing bacteria. There are certain bacteria present in the roots of few leguminous plant called azotobacter. Example, rhizobium bacteria. Where they are present, they create nodules, small nodes forming on the roots of such leguminous plant, and they present in those root nodules. Such rhizobium bacteria has the quality of converting the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate and mixes in the soil with the water and minerals, that when the plant absorbs these water and minerals, through it the nitrate also passes inside the plant, which further helps the plant in growth of their body as well as creating protein in them. And such bacteria are called nitrogen fixing bacteria. Such bacteria are called nitrogen fixing bacteria. So students, this is all topic about the nitrogen cycle, means how the living creatures just like animals and plants are not able to take the atmospheric nitrogen directly. They can't able to use the pure form of nitrogen, so they always convert the nitrogen in various forms in nitrate form to utilize it, to take the benefit of that nitrate. And under that process, various stages I have explained to you just now. What is nitrogen cycle? Conversion of nitrogen back to nitrate, and after utilization, when the living creature dies, those nitrate are again released back, converted back into the nitrogen form and released in the atmosphere by process called denitrification. Okay, so these all processes are called the nitrogen cycle. Next, I explain about the decaying bacteria. There are such bacteria present in the soil which decompose the dead organisms of plant animals, and from inside the ammonia which is present, it releases the ammonia from that dead and decomposing and into the soil. such process is called ammonification, and this ammonification process is done by the decaying bacteria. There are few bacteria present in the soil that converts the further ammonia into nitrate form. So such bacteria are called the nitrifying bacteria, and the process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. Further, what I have explained about the nitrogen fixing bacteria, there are certain bacteria present in the root nodules of such leguminous plant, just like rhizobium bacteria, which helps to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate form. By trapping it, they convert the nitrogen into nitrate form and provide to the uplift the plant, so that the plant will utilize those nitrate and helps in their body growth as well as synthesis of protein. Because nitrate is required for two purposes in the plant. One is for their body growth and other is for the preparation of protein in them. Just like whatever the pulse plant, pea plant, whatever the legumes plant, जितने भी दाल वाले पौधे होते हैं, they create protein in them, and for the preparation of protein, the plant need nitrogen in the form of nitrate. Next, lightning. This is also a process of breaking the atmospheric nitrogen, bringing down to the earth. How? During the lightning, a heavy power discharges out and a heat is created in the atmosphere. Due to that heat, the oxygen and the nitrogen present in the atmosphere combines to form nitrogen dioxide, and when the rain falls, those nitrogen dioxide mix up with the water and form a type of weak acid and falls on the earth's surface. Okay, and this that falls in the form of nitrate acid, and these nitrates are utilized by the plant. Further, when this plant or animals dies, there are few microorganisms present in the soil that converts the nitrate back to nitrogen form. Such bacteria are called the denitrifying bacteria, and the process of conversion of nitrates back to nitrogen gas such that it could release back to the atmosphere is called denitrification. So student, you must remember what is denitrification. The conversion of nitrate back to nitrogen form in the atmosphere is called denitrification. Okay students, so today I have completed the theory portion of this chapter, and further whatever the exercise I will give you in the homework, you must note it down in your copy and learn it. Meet you in the next class. Hope so you have enjoyed the video. Thank you student. Have a nice day.